What if I told you you could make $1,000 in affiliate commissions without spending a single dollar on ads? This is one of the easiest and most beginner friendly methods to make money online. No website, no paid tools, just free traffic. I'll break it all down step by step, so by the end of the video you will have everything you need to start making money right away. Don't miss this. This strategy is working right now and could be your easiest way to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. In this video, I'll share with you guys a beginner friendly method that you can use for you as beginner to make your first $1,000 using completely free traffic. So let's get started. This I made just in the last 7 days. I made $6,597 in commissions using free traffic. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to company, okay, over here, and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr. They are really paying good commissions, and you guys can check this website to get more ideas. Okay, so if you want to create your affiliate account, just click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country. Okay, just search for your country from here and choose your language. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, and you should see here commissions, clicks, CTR, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting using completely free traffic. And I'll share with you guys which services you will start promoting to earn your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, and how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. Okay, so pay close attention, please. So what you will do next, you will go and open your Facebook account. Okay, we will use Facebook to get free traffic. Open your Facebook account like this. Click on the search over here and search for YouTube gamers. Okay, search for YouTube gamers, and you have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, and you will find a lot of Facebook groups that you guys can join. Okay, so we can start using those groups to get free traffic. So for example, let's choose the first group. I will click on this one here and just click on any group you want, and if you scroll down, here you go, that's what I'm talking about. You will find a lot of YouTube gamers in this group. So what those people are doing here, they are posting their YouTube videos links here because they want to grow their YouTube channels. They want to get more subscribers, they want to get more views and grow their small YouTube channels. That's why they are sharing their YouTube videos links on those groups. If you scroll down, here you go, you see we have a lot of people here, a lot of gamers sharing their YouTube videos links here to get views and grow. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to this Fiverr, to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for gaming video editing. Search for this service. So those small gamers, they will be interested to buy gaming video editing. Okay, if you started a gaming YouTube channel and you are small and you have a budget, why not to invest in your YouTube channel and grow it? So for me, if I did this, of course I will invest in my YouTube channel. I will invest in good editor for my gaming videos, because I will get more views and scale my YouTube channel. Okay, so search for gaming video editing. I will get back to this and explain more. Just for you, search for gaming video editing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who do gaming editing service on Fiverr. What you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? If you already watched my last videos, always I focus on level 2 sellers and top rated sellers and pro sellers, and even level 1 seller. They just need to have a lot of reviews. Okay, so let's choose for example one of those sellers. So for example, like this, for example, like this one, guys, you see this one? This one has level 2 seller and has, it's almost, he is close to 1000 reviews, which is really good. And his service starting from $10. That's really good. Like this one is good. Also this one here is good. So if you even scroll down, you have also more. You have this one. You guys can see this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good. Like this one is good one. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is pro seller, which is good. I will click on his video. I will click on his service, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, so you see here, it's pro seller, which is good. Let me see this example. He has an example video. You see, guys, he is really making good video editing for those gaming channels. Okay, you see this? That's really good. So this one is good. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on your dashboard over here. Click on, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and just click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. You will click here on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go back to Facebook. Let's go to those gamers here, small gamers, and let me scroll down, for example, to choose one. For example, like this one. Let's check, for example, this one, guys. If you click on his gaming video link, and as you can see, guys, you will be directly in his video on YouTube. You see this? It's a gaming video. Okay, and this channel is small channel, 33 subscribers. It's not a big channel, small channel. Of course, he will be interested to buy video editing service. Okay, and you have a lot of gamers on those groups. Okay, so for example, let me check his channel. If you click on his channel like this, you will be directly in his channel over here. You will click on videos. Let me see, and you guys can see this is small channels. He's not getting a lot of views. Like, he will be interested if he want to get like thousand, a million of views. He need to do good editing. You see his videos, they are not getting a lot of views. So this one can be interested. If we click here on links, you guys can see this YouTuber, this gamer has Facebook page here. You can click on his Facebook page and you will be directly in his Facebook page. Okay, let me show you, and here you go. You see, this gamer has a Facebook page. So what we will do, you see, this is his video. That's really good. We will send a professional message to his Facebook page, okay, about our gaming video editing. You will click here on message, and we will create a professional message that we can send to this one. So how we can use and create a professional message? We will use AI. We'll go to ChatGPT, go back to ChatGPT and ask him create a professional message that I can send to small YouTube gamers to buy my gaming YouTube video editing service, okay, from my website. Like this, I will click just here and I will get a professional message that I can start sending to those small gamers. You guys can see I checked out your gaming content and I really love what you are doing. If you are looking to level up your videos with high quality editing, smooth cuts, engaging effects, and pro transition, I have got you covered. I offer professional gaming video editing to help your content stand out. And here you go. And here, check out my services here. You can put your affiliate link here. And you have a professional message that you can send. You see this? I will copy this message. I will go back to this gamer page on Facebook. I will put my message here. I need to put my affiliate link here. So let me show you how we can do it. So what you will do, you need to put your affiliate link here. So you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you just created a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr Step A, this one, Fiverr Step A old plan, because for me, I have been doing this business, like I said in the beginning, for over 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same, and also you will see this Fiverr Pro new plan. So if you are using Pro services, you can copy your affiliate link from here. If you are using just other services like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, you can copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, so for this one, we used a Pro seller. Okay, you see here, we used a Pro seller. This one is Pro. So we will go back to our affiliate link and we will copy our link from this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. I will copy my affiliate link from here, and this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. I want to make this affiliate link short link to make it more looking clear and looking professional. I will put my affiliate link here and I will click on shorten, okay, and I will get short affiliate link. And here you go, see this is my short affiliate link. I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Facebook, to this gamer page, and I will put my affiliate link here, okay, and I will click on send, and my message will be sent to this gamer on his Facebook page about my gaming editing service. You see, it's gonna be like this. And if he is interested and serious to grow his gaming YouTube channel, he will check your message. If he can get back to you, and if he click, for example, if he want to check this service, he can click on this link here. If he click on this link, he will be directly in this pro seller profile page on Fiverr. You see this? He will see that this seller is pro seller, has a lot of reviews, 5-star, and if he buy this service, request to order, and buy this service from you, you will earn commission. So how much you will earn? This service starting from $100, okay? For pro sellers, let's go back to Fiverr affiliates website to show you guys. Let me show you. If we go back to this Fiverr website, you guys can see here, pro services, you will earn 17% of the first order, which is really good, and a CPA of 17% of the essential purchase amount, and you will keep earning 10% of the future orders, because this service is evergreen service, meaning that this service, this buyer can keep buying this service again and again, because he will upload new videos, he need new editing for those videos, and he will keep buying this service again and again. And for you, it's really good and profitable, because you will keep making 10% of every transaction this person will make on Fiverr. So in the first order, you will earn 17%. Let's go to Ask ChatGPT so to show you. So what's, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, what's 17% of $100? Let me show you how much you will earn. Okay, you will earn $70. Do you guys can see here $70? That's a really good, like $70. That's a lot of money. We using free traffic. Just from one client, you will earn 70%. And you have a lot of Facebook groups here that you can work on. You have a lot of gamers, okay? If we go back to Facebook, you have a lot of gamers on those groups, okay? And you have a lot of groups, millions of groups on Facebook that you can use to get your clients. Those people here are your clients, your potential clients. You just need to convince those people to buy those services from you, and you will earn a lot of money using just this free method. Okay, you see how many gamers here? Here is another one. You see this gaming video YouTube link here. Here is another one, and here is another one. Here is another one. If I keep scrolling here, I can find a lot of gamers here. You guys can see? You see? So you just need to start. That's how we can make. That's the easiest way to start making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. Okay? And if you guys want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Quora, and more. Okay, feel free if you are interested to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Also, guys, you cannot promote just gaming video service. Okay, you have, let me show you. You have YouTube gaming thumbnail. Okay, YouTube gaming thumbnail. You have also this service. You have a lot of services that you can promote to those gamers. You have YouTube gaming, YouTube thumbnail design. Okay, you have also gaming intro. You have a lot. Like you can just type here gaming. Let me show you. Just type gaming and you have gaming YouTube thumbnail, gaming video editing. You have gaming intro, YouTube gaming editor. It's the same service. Funny gaming video editing, and you have a lot of services you guys can promote to those sellers on Facebook groups. Those people are your potential clients, like I said. So it's all about your marketing. It's all about how do you market the services, and if do you have any skills in marketing, do you know how to convince those people, then you can make so much money with this one using free traffic. You don't need to invest any money, but you need to learn marketing and how to market the services, how to convince customers to buy services from you, how to provide offers, and more. That's it. See you in my next videos.